in the microwave and it pops up. So I'm gonna cut this into pieces first.
Jerk and ass.
It looks like this. I'm using a plastic knife so it doesn't hurt. Or that I don't hurt myself. Cut. We're going to cut it into small pieces. Or else it might be too much. Just a bar is okay.
You only need this piece, right? Just get one piece. Let's keep this one. Here, you only need this, okay?
Okay, so I cut this on I think it's 80 seconds. Can you put 80 seconds for me?
80 seconds? Well,
80 seconds.
well,
Okay.
you can do a minute.
First, we're gonna try it.
And we're just gonna keep a visual on it, okay?
We're just gonna keep on trying.
Okay, push the minute. Go ahead. Push 1 minute.
First, we're gonna do one.
1 push 2-0. 2-0. She's gonna try and experiment. Go. Push 2 zeros.
Oh,
0. 0, honey.
wait.
No.
Okay, I put two. Okay, but how much do I put?
1 and 0, 0.
Here, when I talk,
And I start.
Here,
Yes.
where you put my comb?
I
Like you in the
put it in the
car.
car.
Where
I
you
did
put
it
it?
in the car.
Yeah.
I did it.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, it's starting to pop up.
Here.
Victor, come over here. My science experiment is working. Popping up. I read this on YouTube, so.
Looks like it's burning.
What? You stop.
Just stop, okay?
What's that smell? We might need to let it cool off.
You might need to let it cool off because it's making smoke. I don't know
The
if
smell of burnt soap is filling my nose. Oh.
So that was a thingy saw.